You want to edit faster? Do you want to edit easier? As a beginner, a content creator, or someone who makes video for client, this AI tool will blow your mind, guys. Just follow me. So what you need is Veed.io. Veed.io is an AI-powered editing tool that you can use to edit your video, giving you more quality, giving you an easier editing experience. It has features like background remover, where you can actually remove unwanted background. It has text to speech, where you can convert your script into a ready-made video. It has video enhancer, where you can actually enhance your video into more quality HD video. It has template for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Now, one other crazy thing about Veed.io is that the Letters Veo 3 AI, which is the Google Letters AI tool, is also integrated in Veed.io. It's crazy. So there is really a lot Veed.io can actually help you do. Yeah, if you check here, you're going to see a lot of features. Yeah, so starting from the AI edit, here you can actually edit your background. Changing your background to a better one. So the next one is generating your auto-subtitle. You can actually do that here. You can translate your video to over 25 languages with this feature. Then if your video is not having if you're not maintaining an eye contact while doing your video, this particular feature can actually help you do that. Then this particular one is to clean your video to studio quality. Now we have also this particular one that can remove every unwanted or awkward pause you made while making your video. In this other side, you can generate your video from just a prompt, a text prompt. You can do it here. Then the next one is you can actually extract highlight from a longer video. That's like a summary. Then this, you can create an avatar of yourself. You can clone your voice, you can clone your face, you can do dubbing here. That is translating your video to any language of your choice. Here you can convert slide into compelling video. These are all the things you can actually do with Veed.io. Are you a content creator, or you make videos for clients online, or you are even a coach that need a more quality, effective and efficient video editing work? You need Veed.io. Are you ready to check it out? Click on the link below to try it out for free.